Axumin fluciclovine F18 injection is indicated for positron emission tomography, or PET imaging, in men with suspected prostate cancer recurrence based on elevated blood PSA levels following prior treatment. Please note this important safety information. Full prescribing information is available at Axumin.com. Prostate cancer patients are regularly monitored by PSA testing after undergoing prior treatment. If PSA levels are rising following this treatment, it's a strong indication that the cancer has returned. This is known as biochemically recurrent prostate cancer or biochemical failure. Detecting and localizing recurrent prostate cancer is a significant challenge. Current anatomical imaging techniques are limited in their ability to find the sites of disease. Recurrent disease may be identified in only about 11% of cases. It is widely recognized in the medical community that a more effective way to identify and localize biochemically recurrent prostate cancer is needed. Compared to healthy tissue, some cancers, including prostate cancer, are more dependent on amino acids such as glutamine for their metabolism, and they need to take them up in larger quantities to maintain growth. To enable this, these cancer cells upregulate amino acid transporters, in particular two called ASCT2 and LAT1. This results in much higher numbers of these transporters on the cell surface. These amino acid transporters are present on the cell membrane of prostate cancer cells of all grades, including castrate-resistant cell types, and they enable accumulation of amino acids inside the cells. Blue Earth Diagnostics has developed and introduced Axumin, a molecular imaging agent developed to detect and localize biochemically recurrent prostate cancer. Axumin is a synthetic amino acid labeled with fluorine 18, which is taken up by cancer cells by way of the same transporters as those that transport naturally occurring glutamine. Because it is a synthetic amino acid, the Axumin molecule is not incorporated into proteins, nor is it metabolized, so over time it is transported back out of the cells and eventually excreted from the body. Because Axumin is labeled with fluorine 18, once it is accumulated in cancer cells, it can be imaged by a PET-CT scanner revealing sites of biochemically recurrent prostate cancer. Axumin uptake may reveal recurrent disease in sites typical for prostate cancer, including the prostate or prostate bed, lymph nodes, and bone. Here we can see Axumin PET-CT images of actual patients with prostate cancer recurrence in the prostate bed, in the lymph nodes, and in bone. Clinical data show that in patients with biochemically recurrent prostate cancer, PET-CT imaging with Axumin allowed for successful localization of the recurrent disease in 77% of all cases, and in 90% of cases where disease was found outside of the prostate bed. Please note this important Axumin safety information. Full prescribing information is available at Axumin.com. Please note that image interpretation errors are possible with Axumin, as with any imaging procedure, and that the diagnostic performance of Axumin seems to be affected by PSA levels. To report suspected adverse reactions, call the Axumin Medical Information Line at 1-855-298-6461 or contact FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088. To find out more about Axumin, visit Axumin.com or contact a Blue Earth Diagnostics representative near you.